The Airflow integration requires an agent. After this module, you'll be able to download the agent from Marketplace and install it. Configure the agent using the INI file, as is the case with most of these agent-based packages. If you've used any of the admin courses, you should be familiar with the values: name, system, connection, authorization, and RA. Finally, start the agents and watch it connect to the engine. We use a Java command to start the agents. The installation and configuration procedures are as follows. First, you download the agent from Marketplace. A simple search on the term Airflow produces 3 results: the Amazon Workflow extension, the plugin, and finally the agent, which is the one that you need. The package contains all the necessary elements for both Unix and Windows systems. Configure the INI file. We'll look at this in a minute. Add the agent to the Service Manager. We're not going to show this. If you're unclear about this, we recommend taking other courses currently available in our catalog, like Administration Foundations. Finally, we start the agents. Once you've downloaded the agents, unzip it. You could do this in Automic or /opt/Automic. Unzipping creates a file system, agents/airflow. Everything is in the bin directory. You find the ucxj airflow jar file, which starts the agents via the java-jar command. You find 2 INI files, ucxj-citx.win or .unix. Based on the platform, rename the INI and remove Win or Unix. The other files contain interface elements, libraries, or the dictionary. They can be ignored. Let's consider ucxj-citx.ini. Like all other agents INIs, it contains config values. Users should be familiar with this. Name equal is the agent name. It's assumed that you've developed a consistent naming convention. This is the name as it will appear in AWI, Service Manager, and elsewhere. Some special characters like carets are not accepted, and simply naming it Airflow is not possible either. System equal is the name of the Automic system. It should match the engine's ucsrv.ini file. This is true for all agent types. Connection equal is the host name or DNS name and ports. The default port is 8443. You can use trusted cert folder equal to point to the location of the TLS certificate location. If you've employed another method, like a commercial certificate and the CA cert file, then you should use that instead. Finally, you can set RA equal to either 0 or 99. The latter enables full tracing and generates files in the temp directory, which is created when the agent is started. Be sure to only enable tracing for troubleshooting purposes. If the agent is running without problems, tracing should be set to 0. Finally, you can start the agents. To do so, position yourself in the bin directory of the agent and invoke the Java command from the Java bin directory. java-jar ucxj airflow.jar. This creates the temp directory, which stores your logs and traces, assuming you've set RA to 99. We're logged in as root. We have downloaded the agent package from Marketplace and placed it in a directory called /opt/Automic. We unzip the package and consider the resulting file system. We have 2 INI files for Windows and Unix respectively. We renamed the Unix file. We can also see the ucxj airflow.jar file. We set the owner of the entire file system to the assigned Automic user, in our case, user 1. We can now configure the agents via the INI file. We set the agent name, the Automic system name, the connection setting, and the directory that contains the TLS certificate. We also set the RA value to 99 so that traces are generated. The certificate should have been generated and copied to this directory. In the top part of the screen, we start the agents with the Java command. In the bottom, we'll see the agent connect to AE. The agent is connected. The temp directory is created. It contains both logs and traces. At this stage, we recommend logging out of AWI and back in so as to enable the Airflow objects. Check the About page. You'll see the Airflow sheets, which proves that the agent was successfully installed. We need to mention some important points. First, the agent requires version 21.0.4 of the automation engine. This is the baseline supported version. If you're running an older version of AE, you'll need to perform an upgrade, or you won't be able to run the Airflow integration. The integration uses the new RA framework, and so you no longer have to load the RA solution as you previously did. If you need to upgrade the agents, you can simply perform a fresh install or use CAU, which is supported. Finally, to perform an uninstall, stop the agent with a simple Ctrl-C and break out of the running process, delete the agent from the list in AWI, and finally remove the file system.